Hey guys, it's Ame-Senpai again. So I'll be doing one of these talkie over art videos. So I've been meaning to do this for a while. It's just that I'm not really good at drawing on camera. So I'll be using one of my older videos. Oopsie doopsie. So I wanted to talk about how grateful I am that there are people out there who are willing to watch content like this, especially from me. Recently, in late 2018, I've had a lot of people reaching out to me, visiting me in conventions, commenting, and all that really good feel stuff that they've been telling me how much they support me. Just simply following me or liking my things and commenting really makes my day. Especially as an artist, well, I don't know if it's for everybody, but validation is really important, especially as an artist. Mostly because I believe that when somebody makes art, any type of art, it's made to be recognized subjectively and by a society in a way. So, like, being accepted by a community or at least a group of people who, like the same art I do, like, like the art I do. The fact that they like it means a lot to me because it means that whatever I put out that's from my mind is accepted by those around me. So I really want to thank you guys for that. So far, 2019 is lit, is how you kids say it. I'm still a kid, but okay, I sound like a kid, but I'm turning 22 next week, so anyway, thank you for subscribers I have for now. I really hope I get more, but I really appreciate the number I have right now. Okay, so looking at my channel as of this moment, it's at 97. Wow, I got a new subscriber. 97 subscribers, and I'm really grateful for 97 subscribers. That's the year I was born, 1997. Oh yeah. Just basically the last part of 2018 has really pushed me to the direction I was hoping for, to explore my own art and how it affects people, and I hope to continue this for the rest of my life, or at least 2019. So I've made goals for myself, basically making more art, making more fan art actually, because I want to get recognized not only for my original art but also having a bit more fun with my art, because sometimes I don't have the motivation to make my own artworks because I'm running out of ideas. But fan art is a safe and fun way to stimulate yourself as an artist, because you find things that you like and you're putting it on like a visual medium, and that is great, especially for me. In the other conventions I have been to, there were a couple of you or a couple of other followers I have from Instagram or Facebook. You guys visited me at my table, and I am so grateful for that. You guys have said some amazing words of encouragement. I cannot thank you guys enough, because that just makes me feel really good about myself. Some of them have more followers than me, because I've met other artists from my table, but like getting that kind of praise from other people that I believe are like cooler artists, I don't know, it makes me feel more validated. And whether or not you are an artist, or whatever type of support that I receive from you is so important to me. I just want you guys to know that if you support somebody, an artist, or anybody in life, basically, you have to remind them that they're doing a good job. Okay? Unless they're not doing a good job, you have to push them to do better. Because a lot of us grow from affirmation, encouragement, all that stuff. And I really want to use this type of positivity and bring it to my works. So I hope you guys can look forward to more silly videos of me just doing nonsensical stuff. Like I'm trying to render this poppin' cooking video. It won't work for some reason, but I'll find a way. I want to do more funny things, not just art, so I can express myself more. I also look forward to doing more art challenges for myself. I'll try to ask more of you guys on Instagram or Facebook on what I should be doing. And also, if you guys would like to support me even more, even though right now just watching this video is enough, if you guys want to support me more, you can head on over to my Patreon or Ko-fi account and support me by donating. You know, like you could just give, you know, just for as little as $1, like that goes a long way, especially for me. I'm not asking for much because this is in no means a mandatory thing for you guys to do. You know, just if you want to. Oh man, I'm like really weak on advertising myself, but yeah. It's funny, I sound really weird, like I sound really small, but then like you see my art and how you guys see me in person, I'm really like loud and like quirky and all that stuff. So I hope to bring my fun side out more when I make videos, and I hope to do my best in 2019. Thanks for watching, guys, and like this video if you like it, and subscribe if you like this content that I make. You can watch other videos. You can watch other videos, all that jazz. And you can leave a comment on what kind of art-related stuff I should do, or non-art related stuff. And see you guys. Hear from you guys very soon. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, happy 2019, guys.